syukur nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Unong yalam kaliang persya haluk sabha Rahul Gandhi hakalas ngi ublei uloong ba menteri katanat puli puthi ka sarkar pedeng umdan jingtip ya ke jing shisha yakni uloong hadian ba menteri ka sarkar pedeng udhar mendra pradhan ulakam bahagi ni kenyosnam om shimladan satya ki sabut ban pen I baki kot jingkeli jong ki eksamin ba pher kila lait tu habai shimta ha jingatai haluk sabha ha sngi sedang ka dorbar mangtingka Rahul uloong bahaga jing shisha ki babun ki sngo baladi ki eksamen ba pher ha India ha ki breu Riewspah katba daki million ngut ki samla pule ki Kordit namar kata habaya dei bat ki eksamen uloong ka sarkar ka dei ban penbet ki jing bakla ha jaka ban pen kalan kai da ka jing thok jing syukur.
It's obvious to the whole country that there is a very serious problem in our examination system. This is not just a question of NEET, it is in all the major examinations. Now, the minister has blamed everybody except himself.
Sir, with full responsibility, I would like to submit in front of House, through you, sir, there is no evidence of paper leak in last 7 years in any numbers.
I don't even think he understands the fundamentals of what is going on here. The issue is that there are millions of students in this country who are extremely concerned at what is going on and who are convinced that the Indian examination system is a fraud. That is what is at stake here. Millions of people believe that if you are rich and if you have money, you can buy the Indian examination system. And by the way, and this is the same feeling that the people in the opposition have. And that is why we are asking some very simple questions to Honorable Minister. Number one, as this is a systemic issue, what exactly are you doing to fix this issue at a systemic level?
Yes.
That's the first question.
Okay.